Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to write a C program to print natural numbers up to a limit specified by the user. The first line that I have given here is commenting. If we are using two forward slash and writing something, the compiler will take it as the comment and it will ignore it. It will ignore it, and this will not be shown in the output screen. The commenting section is used for the programmers or a person who is looking into the coding of a particular program to understand what is happening inside that program by just a glance. Okay, so we are going into the program. First, we are using the header file stdio.h. After that, we are coming to the main function. Here, instead of void main, I used int main. Int is the return type integer. Okay. Since we are using this integer, before the last braces I have given a return 0 statement, right? These two lines are connected. I will explain it. Int means the return type integer of that particular function. Here we don't need anything to be returned, but still we are using integer. This is because we want the memory taken by the program to be released after the execution of this program. That is why we are using integer as the return type. After seeing int main and coming to the return 0 statement, the compiler will understand and will release the memory after the execution of this program. Okay, then we are starting with the braces. Then we are going for declaring two variables. By looking for the following sentences, you can understand why we choose these variables. Okay, so here next thing, print f, enter the limit. Here we are using the printing statement to let the user know that we want the user to insert the limit for the natural number. Okay, after that, to accept the limit, we are giving or we declared a variable called n. So we are accepting using scan statement, modulus d, then ampersand n. Modulus d is used since n is an integer. Ampersand is used so that the value of the limit entered by the user can go into the memory location of n. Okay. After that, I am giving you a new concept, that is for loop. Here we have to print the natural numbers, right? But we can't give it like this, printf1, printf2, printf3. It's really hard and we don't know the limit that the user is going to enter. So we are starting with a new concept known as loops. Actually there are 3 loops. Here we are using for loop. In for loop, inside for loop, we have given a printf statement. This will work according to this, that is for I equal to 1. That is, for the first time I get initialized with the value 1. Then it will check whether the limit entered by the user, say it is 5. Then it will check whether 1 is less than 5. The condition is true, right? So it enters to the for loop section. Then it will be printf, modulus d and I. For I, it will print 1. Again, it goes to the increment section. Here the increment section is I++, which is same as I plus 1. That is, the value of I gets incremented by 1. Then the value of I becomes 2. It comes inside the for loop. It will print 2. Again, it goes for incrementation. Then 3 again comes out. Then print 3. When the I gets a value 5, it will check with n. Here we have supposed that the n is for 5, right? We are just supposing it. So then the condition will become like this, 5 less than 5, which is wrong. So it will come out of the for loop. Then it will see the return 0 statement. Then the program is over. Let's run it. They have asked us for a limit. Let it be 5. Yes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to enter or if we want the output to show as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you can make a change in the program. that is I less than or equal to n. So let's run it now. Enter the limit, it becomes 5, then it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But by just looking at this, a person will just read 12,345. So we need a space, or after a line, the next output should be shown. That is what we need. If so, then you can give a space here, or you can give a slash n. Actually, slash n, let's give a space here. Actually, slash n is used for the next output to come into a new line. Slash n stands for new line. I am just giving a space for this particular program. Let's look for further things in the next program. I am entering the limit as 5. Then it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along with spaces. So our program is completed. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you once again.